Hello everyone, today we are going to learn to simulate the XRD pattern in VESTA software. As we have already seen our last lecture, to plot the CIF file in VESTA software, we will use a CIF file. This particular CIF file is for zinc oxide structure, and we are going to have an XRD pattern of this particular zinc oxide structure. For this, we need to go to Utilities, Powder Diffraction Pattern. Here we can see there is no plot. We need to calculate the plot using the conditions. Here we have two conditions wherein the wavelength, we have two wavelengths. First is for K alpha, while CU K alpha, that is copper K alpha radiations, and second one is for copper K beta radiation. Once we calculate this, we get the plot, and here in this plot what we can see is, we can see each peak is having doublet. This doublet, the higher intensity peak corresponds to the reflections due to K alpha radiations, and the lower intensity peak is due to the K beta radiations. Now, in order to have a single reflection or reflections only due to K alpha radiation, what we need to do is we need to change this 2 to 1, and we can once again calculate. Once we calculate this, we can see all the doublets are disappeared, and we can have only a single peak, and this single peak corresponds to the XRD K alpha radiation or reflections due to K alpha radiation. Also, other than this, what we can have is we can have reflections or different important data from the XRD pattern, that is HKL planes, as well as the interplanar spacing, values of interplanar spacing that we can see for each individual plane. We can copy this data and use this to plot in Origin software. Thank you.